moving. Extra inform against red. So 4-1 rivalry between the two of us. Yeah, I think that's Denmark, right? It should be Denmark. Is it? Yeah, it's Denmark. Indeed. Small country, small points. Opponent will know Denmark. Danimarka. It's on the city called Christiansfeld. Cool city, cool name for a city. Cool. Okay, we are in Spain. Got it. So somewhere like here. I think so, right? Got it. And also, the palms, that makes sense. It could even be Palmas. Who knows? Oh, nice. Cool. It's big damage. Good damage. Round number. Kulna. Oh. Nice. Somewhere like, there we go. Kulna, you got, launch got. It. Cool. It's right there. Ooh. Very coastal opponent within meters away. Let's go. Okay, is it the UK? It might be the UK here. Yes, UK, sir. And then probably ultra rural. You won't find anything. Those types of vibes. So just gonna go between Manchester and London here. I hope it's not Scotland or even Northern Ireland. Hedges, of course, extremely common in the United Kingdom. Of course, yellow rear plates, as we saw earlier on. An opponent, a similar area, but it's actually Max West England near the Welsh border. Right, so somewhat of an even game here. Okay, but this is Japan, and probably saw somewhere. Probably go Nagoya here because of this orange, oval. Call those. Let's see. Oh no, is it trap? Is it a trap? Looks like it is a trap. Okay, opponent also going Nagoya. It's now outside of Nagoya. We are dealt a few hundred points of damage thanks to Chubu. Yeah, Chubu utility plates. Round one's another round of Japan here. Let's see. It's not too obvious as the other ones. We start in a fairly more rural round here. Okay, another. Just guess Gifu yet again. Just guessing Gifu. Okay, area codes could work. It's not typical area code you'd see. Yes, okay, Gifu Nagano could work, and it's further south. Yet again, another Nagoya. Round 7. Round 7 should be Medellin, right? Yeah, I guess it's Medellin. Because of the poles. Surely is pole paints rather. Somewhere Antioquia. Surely in Medellin, and it's further out. Outside Medellin. So opponent deals a few points of damage. Okay, this should be Turkey. Green trash cans should be interesting. I mean, it's a bit mountainous, so should I consider Max East Turkey? It should be a risk though if we go Max East Turkey, so probably just try to unfortunately the signs are trash cans are faded out, the text. I'll trash cans are unfortunately faded out. And what? Surt BLDSC. Probably a surt, right? Or some slurt. Could be this. Could be slurt. Seared. It could be seared. Indeed. See, if it's indeed seared BLDSC, I think it could be. It could be. Indeed, seared. Nice. Oh, big damage on round 8. We're moving on. Okay, must be Taiwan, if I'm not mistaken. Should be Taiwan here. Try to bypass the landscape. Got mountains to the west. Mountains to the just about everywhere. In fact, just about everywhere, but couldn't find any road numbers. 7 hours to the north. I feel like we had nothing here, but Heping Huangxi. Oh, there's just a bridge now. Fairly difficult. I mean, number 3 and 144. Number 3 and 144 is for the south. So there's 3. Oh, there's 144. It's fairly small. Dapu, a lakeside town. Okay. 6 and Maine. So where's Maine? It seems to be Maine, right? Okay. What? So we're heading out. Speed limit 40. Lamour. It's very difficult. I mean, we should probably go this way now. That doesn't look like a main road. Oh, this is main road. Took a while to find like a small town maybe. Okay, I'm finding nothing here. Like I'm thinking like Nebraska or Iowa here, but nothing's ever for sure. What is this? This town is like so small. It doesn't have many businesses or such. Okay. Recycle North Dakota. Okay, just go North Dakota then. I guess it's so difficult. The landscape. Okay. Probably examine the plates. Are these North Dakota plates? Might be. You got blue and North Dakota indeed. Okay. Lamour. We saw the sign Lamour, but it's not enough. We could blunder here. 4.5x. Anything could happen, and we get another US round. Apple Valley Hospital. Blunder coming up. Speed limit 35. 5.5. Okay. That should be smoking gun. I don't know. SN1. I don't know it. Oh, Winchester, Virginia. Winchester, Virginia. Here we go. Okay, Winchester, Virginia. To the north. Okay. So you got Animal Hospital. Oh, there you go. Alright. I think we 5K'd it, but of course, looks like our opponent will find it too. Will that be enough? Will that be enough? Will that be enough? Yes, it's enough. 5K for the win. Finally. Apple Valley Animal Hospital, Winchester for the win. Winchester for the win. Finally, it's been a while, dude. It has been a while since we won via 5K. I hope I record that, otherwise I'll be crying. Yeah, we did. Finally, a 5K for the win. So difficult. And thankfully, Virginia is large enough to cause separation on a 4.5x multiplier. Road damage amounting to roughly 500 is enough to deal around 2,000 points of our opponent. Thankfully, we established a lead large enough to seal the win on that round. Always nice to win via a 5K. So it's Denmark. Round number 2 was in Palma, we immediately guessed. Number 3 was in Kulna. Thankfully, we had a sign in Latin alphabet at the start. Number 4, England. Number 5 and number 6 are both Nagoya. Opponent getting points, but we block faster. Round 7, we just blocked Medellin as long as we saw the ball plates. Then we saw Sea-Earth in what is the subdivision? Batman? No. Sea-Earth. Oh, Sea-Earth is itself subdivision. We didn't know that. Should probably watch number 8 later. North Dakota, round number 10. Finally, for the win, Winchester. 5K for the Winchester. So they're clicking. And there you go. Apple Valley Animal Hospital. Nice pinpoint in 6 meters. Let's go. Okay, let's watch 2. And then 5, 2, 5, 6, 7 maybe, and then 8. 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First, let's view our round number 2. How it goes. I believe we just saw the word carrera and just went for it. You see. So Carrera, yeah, just immediately went Barcelona or Valencia. Edged. It was actually Palma. So okay, when we got out of the town, we saw like rock walls. So that suggested that it might be Mallorca or in Palma. And then in round number 5 was just in the Goya. We just saw a ball plate, just went for it. Oh, we saw the bottom half of the ball plate and we just went the Goya. Nice. And then round number 6 was also involved another sorry, I'm so sorry. Another tubu utility plate. So thankfully we saw it, otherwise it will be hard to region guess. Japan is hard for us to region guess, so thankfully we have those architecture clues that help us narrow the air down. So round number 8 was in Sea-Earth. Thankfully we have read a faded out garbage sign. Yeah, they have green garbage signs here too, but I think it's one of a kind. We didn't see any other green garbage bins around. We saw a couple of garbage bins with faded or those not having any text on them, right? That one, I'm not sure if that's a faded one or just, but thankfully there's another there's an orange one here, I believe, that contains the Benediesi, right? Okay, that's one is faded too. Okay, you can see here. I'm trying to scan for it. Okay, see here, just right there, east of Batman. Let's go. Okay, we're trying to zoom. Okay, here that might be it, right? I'm not so sure, but despite the dusted dustbin, you made it. Finally, round number 11 is what took, yes, at 54 seconds. That's very quick. Got, of course, a POI here, Apple Valley Animal Hospital. Tried to search for area codes 571. I believe we saw 571, but I don't remember that to be in Virginia. But thankfully there was a welcome. Yeah, there you go. Welcome sign here, Winchester, Virginia. Thankfully, it tell us the the city name. Okay, I was trying to search for Winchester. Finally, there was Winchester. Okay, so around the 30-second mark, we were trying to pinpoint the exact location. So there you go, Apple Valley Animals Hospital or Center. Okay, didn't have any road numbers, but we have, okay, there you go, Apple Valley Animal Hospital. Cool. That's the point. It was right there. 6 meter 5K for the win. Thankfully, road damage was enough after the high multiplier of 4.5x to seal the win. Thankfully, also we established a comfortable lead for the round, but of course being in the US, it will be difficult. Um, there's no assurance of not blundering in the US, especially with you don't recognize the area codes, you don't recognize the landscape, and you got the area correct. Like this one, this was not very apparent to be Appalachian. I didn't think of Appalachian. Maybe I missed some clues because I was so desperate trying to find area codes, town names, state abbreviations, and such. And also, thankfully, it was such a pinpointable location. There's big, significant point of place of interest right there at spawn. There you go, Apple Valley Animal Hospital. And just verifying that we had our bearings correct. There you go, 5K for the win. Let's go. 5K for the Winchester. Maybe that's the title of the video. Who knows? Alright, let's view our status. Our stats. We have lost quite a lot of games during the last week. That puts us 52% win ratio, 64% guess first ratio, and then 2-game winning streak. So that's nice. It's cool. It's cool. Cool and all. We have won 5 of our last 6 games. Just losing to Alting Oak, strong opponent. And looking at our global leaderboard, the Philippines placed 4th behind Amelia with almost 100-point advantage over us, Kazuro and Frey in the number 1 spot out of 48 players. And moving, I expect to maintain our lead in first place. Is cool. Winchester.